Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke and I'm joined here today with George here at Barrett-Jackson. Now, he has something quite special behind us. It's a custom 1967 Ford F-100. So, would you just tell us a little bit about this and what kind of inspired the design for this truck?
Well, the design is basically just my own likes, you know what I mean? It's like just childhood things. The truck itself is awesome. It's a short bed, 4x4. It is, it's finished in frost turquoise, which is a 1967 color, which is cool. Inspiring wise, I'm just a four-wheel drive guy ever since I was a little kid. Little stomper, 4x4 trucks, everything. So basically I'm bringing all those toys to life, you know, so that's basically it on that.
It's fantastic. Now, talking about what's inside, what powers this beast? Okay,
this is a big block Ford 429, probably came out of like maybe a Galaxy or something, 1969. So it's got quite a bit of power. It's paired with a C6 transmission and an NP205 transfer case. Custom exhaust from L&L Headers out in Texas, and those guys built them perfect for this truck and this frame. So you don't have to cut the frame apart or do anything like that. 3-inch full mandrel-bent exhaust, so all the power just rolls right through this thing.
Awesome, and I can see the mirrors down here.
Yep.
What's the purpose of these?
Just so everybody can look and see how pristine it is underneath without having to, you know, do any of that.
Well, so, talking about what's underneath, tell us a little bit about what we can find.
Well, you've got it's got a 6-inch suspension lift on it. It has a Dana 44 up front, a Ford 9-inch in the rear. Everything has been basically taken off of this truck in a full rotisserie, painted, cleaned, you know, done whatever we need to do, sandblasted on the frame, recoated, and then basically reassembled.
Right on. So let's take a look towards the inside of this vehicle.
Sure. We'll show you when we go over here.
Cool. All right, so taking a peek inside, man, that is clean in there. Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, basically same thing. Inside has been completely done. It's of course been insulated on the floor, actually double insulated up on the firewall. We did a spray insulation and then foam mat over top of that. Also the fireproof stuff, so you know, it keeps all the heat out, you know, and keeps the AC in. Which, by the way, I have an Old Air Products air conditioning system. I have the NVU digital white face gauge pack that lights up blue at night, which is really cool.
And that looks so good with this color.
And it has I did it chrome steering column and steering wheel and everything, but it's basically just. And the interior, we had it custom made, so we did the blue stitching every 3 inches, so it matches the color on the truck. So, you know, it just all kind of goes together, all those small little details make.
Completely, yeah. So talk a little bit about some maybe challenges you face.
Challenges-wise, it would have to be the full rotisserie. Taking everything completely apart. I work by myself. I don't bring people in. I don't, you know, so I use my lifts and everything to pull everything apart, put it on a rotisserie, spin it, finish it, paint it, sandblast it, whatever I have to do. That would be the most challenging part. And also I have an American Auto Wire harness in, so that takes a lot of time doing a full electrical harness. You know,
completely.
But it makes it a brand new truck.
It totally does. It's very impressive you did this all by yourself.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
So let's take a look at the bed here.
Sure.
So you mentioned this is the short bed.
Yeah, short bed, yep. So, and that's the sought after bed, really. You know what I mean? You want that short box.
Can we open this?
Yeah, sure. I moved the gas tank from behind the seat, which is, you know, nasty anyway.
Yeah.
You know, to the back, rear of the bed. So now you have an inlet back here, and it's a 20-gallon gas tank up underneath the truck, which you can see on the mirrors down there. So,
I love how this bed liner is the same color.
Yeah, I did a spray on bed liner and then treated everything exactly like the body itself. So it was, you know, it was primed, then sealed, then base coated, then clear coated. Now, of course, you can't wax this, but I would if I could. I'd wax it.
Totally.
Yeah, I'd wax it.
All right, now I have to ask you your favorite thing and maybe your least favorite thing.
Favorite thing on the truck is probably the body style. I dig its first year, 1967. I love it. Least favorite thing? Doing the frame. You know what I mean? Really, the frame sandblasting and all that, probably the least favorite thing for me. But
understandably so.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
Man.
I really appreciate it. It's truly a beautiful car, and I'm really excited to see, you know, what it's going to go for. I'm sure
Saturday.
It's going to catch quite a high price.
Yeah, I hope so.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below your thoughts. Remember, if you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at ClassicCars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website at AutoHunter.com, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, and we'll see you guys in the next video.